up, drone pilot? Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Neil J, and I do crazy stuff with FPV drones. This is a DJI Avata 2 FPV drone song. Put your goggles on and send it up in the air. We're gonna fly all day long. We're gonna send it like we just don't care. Carry fresh, can't wait. We don't care, we don't care. Gonna fly right through this gap. We don't care. If I crash into a tree, it's a memory for you and me. Carry fresh, can't wait. We don't care. Today, I'm pushing the DJI Avata 2 to its absolute limit. Will it survive? Will my ego survive? Will I crash? Stick around, let's find out. Don't blink, or you'll miss it. This is gonna get wild. Let's go! Put your FPV up in the air. We're gonna fly all day long. We're gonna send it like we just don't care. This is a special song. We're flying through the air. We're gonna FPV all day long. We're gonna FPV like we just don't care. I need some time away from this world, and I know where to go. So if you don't mind, I'll leave for a while. I need to be alone. Goggles on, the view is clear. In this moment, there's no fear. Twisting, turning, feeling the rush. In the sky, there's no need to hush. Drone flying free, taking me where I wanna be. Through the clouds in the open air, FPV beyond compare. When the sun comes up, that's when we come alive. And when the sun shines, we're gonna put that ND filter on and fly it all day long. And when the sun's gone down, while the world sleeps, we fly around. So I took my FPV and went to a feed. Send it, like you send it, like you stole it. Fly FPV like you don't care. Manual mode's a dangerous game. I forgot my number, I forgot my name. I'm headed straight for that gap in the tree. This is the part where I look like a fool. The DJI camera, fresh plan's a real good deal. But right now, this dive is real. Then I turned around and went to the ground. In between the trees, living the dream. Love doing flips and rolls, split S, power loops, yaw spins, hitting gaps, orbits, close proximity, and more. Dives, and more. Which propellers do you use on your DJI Avata 2? No matter which props you are using, the original stock, master air screw, or HQ props. The HQ props actually tamed the Avata for me. What about you? The Avata isn't just a drone, it's pure fun. By far the most fun FPV drone to fly. It gives you the feeling of being a fighter pilot, pretending and having fun with every freestyle move. There's nothing better than the adrenaline rush of pushing it fast and low, licking the grass and weaving under trees. For me, that's the most fun to do. So what about you? This is a drone song. We're flying through the air. We're gonna FPV all day long. The Avata gives you the feeling of being a fighter pilot, pretending and having fun. transition time. At the beginning, when I was learning, manual mode was hard. It wasn't just hard, it was a straight up reality check. It broke my ego and made me humble. I am like, why did I spend this much money to feel this stupid? Why? Tell me why. Thanks for watching. Please, don't forget to like, subscribe. If you have questions, just comment it down below on the comment section. See you on the next video.